And they're off and racing for the Real Danger handicap. Fairly level break by all 8 runners. But as they settle down to race, and every breaking wave with top weight on the outside takes up the running by about a length and a half, separating him from Romantic Society in second. Up on the outside there as they hit the first right-handed turn is Antonius Maximus. A length away then, and we've got Cool Conqueror being tracked now by Artificial. 2.5 behind Artificial there, Star Route. Then we've got Blazing Bullet, 1 behind, and that's Mizuno. They go past the 1400 meter marker now, and every breaking wave on a start to finish mission by just 3/4 of a length, the good of Antonius Maximus in second. Romantic Society is a very close third. A length away, Cool Conqueror is in fourth. A length behind Cool Conqueror then we've got Artificial. Just behind Artificial is Star Route. A length behind Star Route when you go to Blazing Bullet. 1 behind, and Mizuno still last of 8. They're running in almost single file as they approach the 800 meter marker, with every breaking wave continuing to call it in front. Still 3/4 of a length, the good of Antonius Maximus. A length and a half behind him there, prominent is Romantic Society. Then making a forward move on the outside comes Cool Conqueror. Just behind, tucked in on the fence, Artificial. Star Route moving up on the outside. Length and a half away, Blazing Bullet off the bridle, and just behind is Mizuno. Little under 600 to run in the Real Danger handicap, and every breaking wave still going handily in front by about a length and a half there from Antonius Maximus. Cool Conqueror going about 20 wide. Then we've got Romantic Society on the rails, followed there by Artificial on the stand side. But every breaking wave is still the leader by about a length and a half, 2 lengths from Artificial, galloping up strongly on the outside. It's still every breaking wave from Artificial in the middle of the track, but every breaking wave has the advantage by about a length and a half there from Artificial. Every breaking wave wins the Real Danger handicap from Artificial, finishing up second. Then came Cool Conqueror and Blazing Bullet together in third and fourth, followed there by Star Route.